Chapter 6, Gases. The quote here is from James Maxwell. So many of the properties of matter, especially when in the gaseous form, can be deduced from the hypothesis that their minute parts are in rapid motion, the velocity increasing with the temperature, that the precise nature of this motion becomes a subject of rational curiosity. Some editions of the textbook have a slightly different section 6.1. There's a different example given. I'm keeping this one because I like it better than the newer one. So here we're going to talk about gases and pressure in terms of how that affects breathing. So every day you move about 8,500 liters of air in and out of your lungs. And that is possible because our bodies are able to create pressure differences. So we need to understand what pressure is. And pressure can be defined as the force exerted per unit area. So here we're talking about gas particles, molecules or atoms. As they strike a surface, they're going to exert a force. Now, the impact, the force of a gas molecule is going to be very, very small, but it's going to happen a lot, and so the pressure does become significant. The pressure that a gas exerts is going to depend on several different things. The concentration of the gas, meaning how many gas particles are in a particular volume. It will depend on the volume of the container, and it will also depend on the average speed of the containers. So, no, the containers don't have speeds, do they? The average speed of the gas particles. So when we inhale, our diaphragm moves down and causes the volume of our lungs to expand. When you increase the volume of a gas, that causes the pressure to go down. The pressure outside stays the same, and so now we have high pressure outside, low pressure inside, and the result is that nature wants to equalize that pressure, so a bunch of air flows into our lungs. The opposite happens when we exhale. The diaphragm moves up, compressing the lungs. Now the pressure is higher inside than outside, and so air flows out of our lungs. Repeat. Forever, right? Till you die. So, any questions about breathing? It's very important, but I think we all have a general understanding of what's going on there.